Merry Christmas, beautiful people. Welcome to the channel. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. So we're going to start the vlog off on Christmas Eve, guys. So I pretty much got up super early. As you can see, we got a little bit of weather, which I absolutely loved. I'm just going to be showing you clips for real of my Christmas holiday. I was trying to be very present with my family, so I didn't get a lot of footage, but we gonna capture what I did get. So y'all stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's get in this kitchen, okay? The first thing I did was start to clean up, as well as start prepping my Christmas dinner. I like to start cooking on Christmas Eve, so like I started my ham. I also made some collard greens, some of my beans and things like that. I don't like my whole Christmas to be spent cooking, so I like to get as much done on Christmas Eve as possible. As y'all can see, look at that ham going right in the oven. I got some greens going as well, and I'm about to bake a cake. So you guys stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. Merry Christmas, and I wish you all a happy 2026. Stay tuned, guys. Let's get it.
Sound.
Okay guys, so now I just did my Christmas nails. If you haven't watched that vlog, make sure you guys go check it out. I did do a tutorial on these amazing press-ons. I'm going to a holiday party, so I wanted something nice, so make sure you guys go check that out. Now we are at the MGM Grand. It is a family tradition for us to go to the MGM on Christmas Eve. Every time my mom comes in town, we always go. And this year my son turned 21, so he was actually able to go with us. So we had a ball. As you can see, my mama was winning. One thing my mama gonna do at the casino is win, honey, is win. She was trying to make sure my son played. He was losing, I was losing, but my mama, she won. So shout out to MGM. They had the most beautiful decor out there. So we took some pictures and just really had a good time. Once I got back to the house, I made me a nice little cocktail, as you can see here. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then make sure you follow me. I actually did a whole reel on this recipe, so make sure you guys go check it out. And then we're gonna get into a little unboxing. So one thing we always do is open up our stockings on Christmas. So I wanted to show you guys what I got in my stocking. So this year I got some phone cases. Shout out to my little cousin. She always sends me back with the best phone cases. I got some fuzzy socks. Cannot go wrong with them. And then I also got these really cute strawberry shortcake pajama shorts. My mom got me these to match my little socks, and they are so cozy and cute. I cannot wait to wear those. I also got some new sunshades. I actually got 2 pair of shades, but these are so cute. They gave me like Little Kim in the 90s, okay? Foxy brown old old school hip hop sexy. I love them. They are so, so cute. I love the tortoise sides and the little diamonds around the frame. Then I got some good soap. My mom always puts me like 5 bars of soap in there. And then I got this. This is a case for my glasses and my sunglasses. I'm always just throwing them in my bag or on my nightstand. So now I have a really cute case to put them in and keep them in my purse. Also, y'all, look. I got Tree Hut. Okay, one thing I love is anything by Tree Hut. I am in my skincare bag, and I got the shave oil as well as the body wash. So I cannot wait to try those. Smell so good. So my stocking was lit, okay? I also got a couple of other things, but that's neither here nor there. So then we got into, this is Christmas morning, guys. So we started eating early. One thing I like to do is cook early because ain't nobody got time to be waiting all day to eat. So I had my food done by 12. We just pretty much relaxed for the day and chilled. Of course, opened gifts as normal. Here are a couple of the little gifts that I got. I love, my mom always gets me a robe. I also got some really cute stuff from Old Navy, some more shades and like content creator tools. One thing I really wanted was this little tripod that can fit in my purse. You just never know when you're going to need content or get content. And I know as a creator, it's so awkward to have that big tripod out. So I love this. I'm able to keep it in my purse. I will have this linked in the description if you want it. It was like the perfect stocking stuffer. I loved it. That was one of the things I kind of got for myself. Then I got these really cute shades that my son bought me. They are cute. And a new journal. One thing I always need is a journal, honey. If it's not written down, it's not real. So shout out to my mom and my family and my friends and my son and everybody for my amazing gifts. I got some of the cutest gifts, and then we're gonna get into some of their gifts that I got them. Y'all can open those together.
You gotta wait.
Y'all got matching.
And I just told Chanel, when I take you your face.
I like them. I want some. I said, well, let me be quiet. She got them.
Oh, yeah. Well done.
You like them?
I know you
Genesis and Mom.
I don't think they was on the wrong side.
Yes.
Period.
I'm definitely using this joke tomorrow.
Exactly. So go get your coffee in the morning.
Appreciate it.
Oh,
Yes. Y'all welcome.
Where you going? This is yours.
Oh, all right. Let me sit in the middle. Oh, that is so pretty. It's me and G. Oh, that is so nice.
Mine, see?
Oh, I love that. And I love the little heart handle. Thank you, Mom. That is so beautiful. I love a personalized gift.
Not only that, because I know you drink coffee.
Yes,
always
I
with you.
love that. That is so freaking
Yeah.
Oh, let me see what that smell like, child. Oh my gosh. Pineapple coconut. That smells good. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas, y'all. By the time you're seeing this, I think it should be New Year. So I just want to say Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. Thank you guys for supporting me this year. I'm currently resetting and getting this content together to drop for you next. See you guys in the next vlog.